Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're like me, finding a moisturizer that hydrates without leaving that greasy shine can feel like a mission, especially for oily skin types. So today I'm diving into a moisturizer that promises to do just that. Say hello to the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Matte Face Moisturizer. It's designed specifically for oily skin, and it claims to hydrate, restore, and balance your skin, all without the shine. Intrigued? Let's see how it stacks up. This is a mattifying, oil-free moisturizer that promises to give you all-day hydration without the unwanted shine. It's packed with ceramide and niacinamide, two ingredients that are well-loved in skincare for their ability to support the skin barrier and calm inflammation. La Roche-Posay also highlights that the formula is non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores, a major plus for those who are prone to breakouts. The product comes in a 2.54-ounce tube, which, depending on your daily routine, could last you a few weeks. The dimensions are compact, so it's great for travel or stashing in your gym bag. The inclusion of SPF 30 in the formula is a nice touch for daily sun protection, but keep in mind, for long exposure, you might still want to layer a dedicated sunscreen on top. Now let's get into the real-world testing. I started using this moisturizer in my morning routine. It has a lightweight texture that glides on easily and feels quite refreshing. When you first apply it, there's no greasy residue, which is great for oily skin types, and it absorbs really quickly. As the day goes on, I noticed that my skin stayed mattified, even during a hectic day running errands under the sun. The hydration was there, but it didn't give that uncomfortable, dewy feeling that some moisturizers leave behind. My skin felt balanced, not too dry, but not overly greasy either. That being said, it's not a miracle worker when it comes to tackling extreme dry patches, but for maintaining hydration and controlling oil, it performs well. If you're looking for something that will help restore the skin barrier and provide lasting hydration without clogging pores, it's definitely a solid choice. In terms of pros and cons, here's a balanced breakdown. Pros: oil-free and mattifying, great for oily and combination skin. Lightweight and absorbs quickly. Includes SPF 30 for added sun protection. Non-comedogenic, so it's less likely to cause breakouts. Ceramide and niacinamide help with skin barrier repair and calming inflammation. Cons: might not be hydrating enough for those with very dry skin or severe dehydration. The SPF is fine for daily wear, but may not provide enough protection for long outdoor exposure. It's a bit on the pricier side compared to some other moisturizers on the market. When it comes to value for money, La Roche-Posay is definitely a premium brand, and you're paying for the quality of ingredients and the trust in their formulations. While the price might seem steep for some, I think it's justified given the performance, especially for those with oily skin who want a reliable, non-greasy moisturizer with added sun protection. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something more affordable but still effective, there are drugstore options that offer similar mattifying benefits, such as the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizer with SPF 30. It's a great budget-friendly alternative with ceramides and niacinamide as well. So, does this product live up to its claims? Overall, I'd say yes, especially for oily skin types who struggle with finding a moisturizer that hydrates without causing excess shine. If you're in the market for a mattifying daily moisturizer with SPF, and you want something that works without irritation, this could be a winner. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us continue bringing honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Matte Face Moisturizer, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.